Welcome to Jesus Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick overview of the product by Boya. It's a Boya Magic AI-powered transformable, and that's the keyword, transformable, wireless microphone. It has AI noise cancellation, not just active noise cancellation, but AI noise cancellation. And it comes in 4 different formats. You can use it in different ways. It's only 7 grams and it has very high quality sound. So that's this product right here. The folks at Boya asked me to do a quick review of this product. And I said, I'll be more than happy to produce an overview of this product. In fact, I'll do 2 of them. Coming up later today, I'll be having one where I'm using the lavalier mic. So let's start off with this one. First of all, I had to figure out which way I can talk into it. I have to talk into it this way because that's where the holes are. It's not on the top. They have little perforations on the top, but there's no way that sound, my voice can go through it. It only can come through it this way. So that's almost like, I don't know why you even put little holes up here because it doesn't reach where the microphone, the little device is. So right about here in this contraption is the little microphone module, the what do you call it, the lavalier mic that you can clip on your clothes. It's right here. So there's 2 areas for 2 of them where they also can be charged, by the way. But this one right here, right up there, only has holes up here on the front, not on the top. Even though they have some what looks like holes on the top, but they're not really holes. I looked at it and go, hey, they don't even go from there to here. It's just it's almost like a, and I was wondering why the sound didn't sound pretty good because I was talking from this direction earlier. But I fixed that. I fixed it. I had to take a while to figure it out. So again, I'm going to be showing you some close-up images of the Boya Magic, and I hope you like it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them below. I would greatly appreciate it. The folks at Boya said, just produce a video. You don't need to talk to us ahead of time and, get permission to do this, or we have to say, hey, that works for us, or that doesn't work for us. I'm just going to do what I do and give my opinion in my review. Again, I've worked in radio and television for 50 plus years and also media in various forms. So I've used $5,000 mics, $4,000 mics, $3,000 mics, $1,000 mics. I've used $500 mics. This one is a $150 system. So it's a good system. I'm pretty sure it'll sound very well. It'll sound pretty good. So let's get started with my overview. I'm going to show you some close-up photographs. Hope you like this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. I'm now in my other studio space, recording this over my Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 and my $85 AKG P120 studio mic. Here's some of the stuff that comes in the box. This is the unit, and it can be a handheld mic, it can be so many things, a lavalier mic, etc., etc. And here's one of the lav, that's and the connections, that's a USB-C. Also has the other version, etc., etc. Here it is on this little microphone stand, little tripod, very modest. Comes with 3 cords, offering you a lot of functionality. What do you think? Again, it comes with the foam and also the dead cat. This is a budget system, and I think for the price, you cannot complain. You cannot complain. Here's the dead cats for the lavs. When you're out in the field and it's a windy day, you need your little wind muffs. And here's a close-up of the 3 cables. Again, I hope you find this video useful and valuable in making a determination if you want to buy this Boya Magic system. There's a USB-C, and of course it has a little charging area there in the side, and the old vintage Apple setup. 2 dead cats, 2 tiny dead cats for the for the laughs. Let me turn this around so you can see where you can charge it and also connect the cable to your system, be it a computer, a phone, or your camera. You have options. Here's the other side. It has 3 levels of audio quality, loudness, and also an on-off switch. Here it is connected to my Google Pixel 9a. It's pretty simple. And of course, the other connections for some vintage iPhones. So what do you think of the overview of me showing all those close-ups of the various things that come in the kit for the Boya Magic? Very nice. Comes with all kinds of stuff, doesn't it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. As I say in español, abajo, muchas gracias a todos a ustedes. And of course, you can become a Patreon member if you want. Go to patreon.com/JMM Garza. And also, if you want to become a member, go in the description. I'll leave ways and information about how you can become a member of this channel. Jesus Manuel Mena Garza, photography, video, and audio. I'll also leave links in the description to other persons that have produced videos on this system. And have done some amazing videos out there, out in the field, using computers, using their cameras like I am my Lumix G85 with kit lens, the transmitter, the receiver, and of course with their phones, etc., etc. Thanks for watching my video. Again, where am I located? I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. Gracias. Adios. I'll leave links in the description in case you want to buy one. Bye-bye.